Always Seek Adventure, signing in. Well, guys, what do we got going on this morning? Well, I am packing up. You know, it takes a little bit for us to pack up for a week-long vacation. Actually, almost a 9-day vacation. We're leaving today. It's Friday. And I'm just now getting everything packed up. Got all the animals taken care of. They got water. I got my neighbor boy coming by taking care of the birds and the goats. But I'm going to a state park, so I would have normally taken the side-by-side. And the side-by-side will fit in the bed of the truck. But I'm taking the golf cart instead, because the golf cart's quiet. It's not obnoxious. Even though I just put stock exhaust back on the side-by-side, it's still loud and creaky, you know. Golf cart, electric, quiet. Nobody cares. Nobody hears it. It's nice. But that's not nearly enough firewood for a week, but I'd rather bring firewood from home and spend a couple bucks worth of firewood at the place than whatever. So we're going to a nice state park. It is a beautiful campground. I get zero service there. I'll get some video. We're going to be doing some fishing, swimming, fucking, sleeping, drinking, all not in that order. It's going to be a wild shit show. It's going to be fun. So, but the truck is barely squatting. The golf cart weighs, I don't fucking know. It weighs a lot. Then that pile of wood and then all the other stuff. And once I get it hooked up to the camper, we'll see where we're at from there. But alrighty, let's go hook this thing up to the fucking camper though. Yeah, guys, I get a little I forget what I'm fucking doing videos about this shit. So, well, here it is. I'm loading up the rest of the stuff from the house. I mean, we're gonna be gone for 8 days. Maybe 9. Oh, we might come back. I mean, it's Friday. We might come back Sunday or Monday. I don't know. It just depends. But this is the setup, man. Got a tote full of firewood, which is fucking awesome. Good to have. It's a lot cheaper bringing it from home than it is buying it from anywhere when you're out camping. Have all my wooden stabilizers for the camper. Got the golf cart, got the turret toter because I do not have full hookup. I just have water and electric. I gotta remember to bring my 50 to 30 amp adapter because it's only 50 amp there, so I'll have this is only 30 amp camper. It may look unlevel right there, but it is actually pretty fucking level sitting where it is, so people can bitch about me having to slide out without it stabilized. Brr. But got the golf cart up. She's not squatting too bad. I don't use a freaking stabilizer or load distribution because it's 3,500. I don't fucking need that shit. You know? So. But, alrighty, guys. I'm gonna get fucking finished up here and I'll probably load this video up and you guys won't get another video from me for a little over a week. So, we'll see where it goes.